Want to earn passive income while helping people stay protected? Then health insurance affiliate marketing might be your golden ticket. You don't need to be an insurance agent, you just refer and earn. The health insurance industry is worth billions, and people are always looking for better plans. That's where affiliate programs come in. They pay you for every lead or sale you refer. Some top platforms include Policygenius, eHealth, and Assurance. They offer $50 to even $200 per qualified lead. Now, create a blog or a faceless YouTube channel focused on health and wellness. Talk about things like best insurance for freelancers or affordable family plans. Your goal? Help people while embedding affiliate links in your content. Every time someone clicks your link and signs up, you get paid. This is passive income. You set it up once, and it earns 24/7. No customer service. No selling. Just content plus smart strategy. Use ChatGPT to write content or scripts in minutes. Tools like Canva and Pictory help you make faceless videos easily. Don't forget to add strong call to actions like check the best plans below. Keep uploading consistently. More content equals more clicks equals more earnings. Grow your email list too. Send offers directly to your audience. Affiliate marketing is a long-term game. Think automation, not shortcuts. Once traffic comes, your links will work on autopilot. You can scale this by targeting other niches like dental, vision, or life insurance too. Just one good video or blog can keep earning you for years. And the best part? You're helping people make smart health decisions. No boss, no office, just your laptop and smart work. So start now. The earlier you begin, the faster you grow. For more powerful tips, subscribe to Smart Money Moves.